Hello and welcome in another video from Portugal. Today I will be doing some crafts and DIY projects, something that I used to do a lot on this channel, which was the main theme of this channel. These days life is too busy to focus only on this, and I enjoy doing these type of videos and content. Hope you like it as well. So as we have a visitor, our friends coming from England this week, so not a lot of going on when it comes to the renovation or updates on the house or around the house. I thought I will do something different. I will start with the plaques for the garden. If you haven't seen my previous video, I will link it down below. I basically started my vegetable garden, so go and check it out. And I decided to make some nice addition to it. It's really unnecessary because I know where I planted what, and I also draw it all on the piece of paper. I thought that this would be just nice, cute addition to my garden. I will be using these stones which I found on our land. It's basically very common type of rock stone found in here. Even this house is made out of this stone, obviously bigger pieces. These ones are just small broken parts of it. I was looking for something what is quite flat, as I will be drawing on them, so yeah, the flat surface will be much better, easy to draw on. We got plenty of these stone piles around our land. Few of them they were already here, few of them we made as we tidying some places, but bless you. But I think we will have to actually get rid of them, as these stone piles are houses for snakes, scorpions, you name it, so we don't want them here. So I think at the end we need to get rid of them, build something out of it, or just oh bless you, or just remove them. And to draw on my stones I will be using the paint markers from Ohuhu, which I was kindly gifted. They're great marker pens, I show you, and I thought as I got them I will use them for this project. It's not sponsored, they just send them to me to try them out, and I'm happy to show them to you because they are really good marker pens. Maybe I will start with the carrot, and I think this one will be in good shape because it's quite long. I'm starting with the carrot. I really hope they grow this year. Gardening is such a big adventure, but I love it. These Ohuhu pens are doing such a great job. Honestly, it's almost a shame to use them on stones. I don't want to ruin them, but I made sure to wash the stones beforehand, so they should be fine. I'm using both the thinner and thicker tips depending on what I'm drawing. At first I was just planning to write the names of the vegetables, but painting them turned out to be way more fun. Since these are acrylic markers, I recommend sealing your drawings with a clear varnish spray. That way they are protected from sun and rain. For my next project, I decided to dry some of the wildflowers growing on our land. It's crazy how many different types of flowers I've seen here, and it's only been 3 months. Before this land becomes completely bone dry for the summer, I want to preserve a little piece of it. I've never done this before, so I had to do a bit of research to find out which flowers are best for drying. I also picked some wheat. They will look beautiful in dry bouquets later on. One important tip, always remove the excess leaves from the stems. They can slow down the drying process or even ruin the flowers. I bunch a few stems together and tie them with jute yarn, leaving one end longer so I can hang them upside down later. The stems are quite short. I want to make small, simple bouquets. Once they are all tied, I hang them in a dry, dark room. I can't show you the final result just yet, but if you subscribe, I will share them as soon as they are ready. Portugal is famous for its pottery. You can really find many beautiful pieces around. Very famous massive pots, which I believe were used for keeping the olives in them. And also on our land I found few clay pots just like that. Just the problem is they don't have the bottom or partly broken, so I can't really use something like that without the bottom. So I came up with the idea that I will dig them under the tree. I will just dig a small hole, just enough to bury the pot slightly in, fill it up with the soil and plant the flower. I think it will look nice under the tree next to this soil, just like a eye-catching spot. As I mentioned earlier, I'm starting with creating a shallow hole for the pot. And as always, I've got some company. Good thing they've been just fed, otherwise they would be pecking my legs. Then I fill the pot with soil. I actually use this trick with a bigger pot too, but in that one I sowed flower seeds so it will take longer to see any results. I think it's a cool idea to reuse these broken pots. I also got pieces of the pottery, so I have to think what I can do with that. But for now I try to reuse the broken pots and I think it looks great. I hope you enjoyed these quick projects, something different on our Portuguese farm. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.